Alright, we actually made a plan for the day. It's a bit of a rough one, but we generally like to make a list of things we could do, and then we pick and choose depending on what Rylan and Lala can do. But yeah, we've made a bit of an itinerary and a bit of a route to follow today, just because we're going to be spending some time in Kyoto. Today is Sunday, so our main goal for the day is to go to church and visit a very special car shop in Kyoto, and obviously eat some food. Let's go. In case you were wondering, this is what it looks like being married to Esther. Alright, we are making our way to Osaka Umeda Station so we can take a Zen Garden Train to Kyoto, a very special train. These run only at very specific and limited times during the day, so we're very keen not to miss it.
We're currently on our way to ride the Zen Garden Train. So we're in the Osaka Umeda station and we're looking for it now. We gave ourselves a lot of buffer time to get there so we don't miss it. First one of the day, let's go. She's not happy. We stuck her to the luggage. We don't want to take her out. We might take her out. Yeah, I guess. Alright, just a second. Alright, so we're looking at a timetable for the Zen Garden Train, and then these two. What is this? Oh, stop over the ground. Gosh. Alright, you guys do whatever you want. We're going to Kyoto today. Just stay here until we get back, okay? It's very hard to figure it out because the screens outside, like the schedule screen outside, they look all normal. They don't have like, here's the Zen Garden Train. So we walked in, and if you looked at this, and if you actually look, there's these purple circles with a number in it. So the purple is actually the Gyu train Garaku, which is what we're looking for, the Zen Garden Train. And these are the times: 9 o'clock, 32. So 9:32, which is the train you were looking for, and that's what it says there. So 9:32, platforms 1, 2, and 3. But the thing is, 1 and 3 and 2 are separate platform to platform 1 over there. I guess we could just wait here until one of them says 9:32.
Alright, just imagine we are all about to enter this tranquil and peaceful Zen Garden Train, and then... Yep, that's Lala.
What's the name?
Let's go for a walk. in Japan, they love their trains, and this is no exception. Each cart seemed to have their own theme, unique patterns and textures and design for each train car, and that was really cool. So if you ever do get a chance to ride on the Zen Garden Train, the Gyugaraku, we do highly recommend it. So it's a lot of fun.
So it's Sunday, and Kyoto is what we want to do today. But it's Sunday, so I go to church. You going to? It's called Mustard Seed. Is it 4? Yeah. We didn't press the button, we're just in the elevator. Too excited. We're a little bit late for the service. We may miss the worship, which I love the worship, but we're here. Let's go. Let's go.
Yesterday. Happy birthday. You're so sweet.
それぞれ会を知っている人たちはいつか神様が
Now that we've had some spiritual food, I think we're ready for some physical food. I heard you can get good Wagyu in the Shiki market, so we're heading off there now.
Should we go to Wendy's? No. No. Oh.
I think this is the place. Oh yeah, this is definitely the place. Yes, and yes. Prices are pretty reasonable for what it is. It's not bad. There was only really bar seating downstairs, but upstairs they had a nice open area space that had tables that your family could sit at. These stairs may look alright, but they're surprisingly steep.
Alright, so we've got some, I think that's garlic, there's some wasabi.
Hi.
What is this? Vegetable of some kind?
It's
Ah, it's a broccoli, right. You're right, Riley. It's a broccoli. These look like some nice wedges, salted. And then, oh.
nice chicken.
Chicken.
It's beef, baby.
It's beef.
It's beef.
Nice beef. We're gonna have a go.
Roll away.
Gonna have a go. Oh. Look at that. You can see the fat. I just put a tiny bit of wasabi and I'm gonna dip it. Garlic. Yep, put some rice on it first. Very good.
Sure.
Just
The bag.
very rich. Gonna chase that down with a lot of rice. So much flavor.
Wow.
So good.
so good. What's it
So good.
Okay, nice.
Hi. Hi.
It's good.
It's so nice.
That's what you need. It's so nice. She's added, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's
I-
nice.
It's nice.
Beef.
Nice beef. Good. Bitch.
Oh man, it's stuck.
Ooh, that's good. And this miso. You look.
Oh, there's meat.
So like a pulled beef kind of thing.
Give you another. Cheesecake.
Go quick.
We just came from church, so this must be the next steps room. Just melts in your mouth. Butter, just like butter. No! Oh no! Oh! Last bite. Let me explain it. Juicy, fatty, well balanced with the rice, wasabi.
I see chicken what's
Adds value. Everything about it is perfect. Highly recommend. You should come here.
All right, we are on our way to Ninenzaka and Senenzaka now.
Alright, our first taxi in Japan.
And this guy was zooming past.
Alright, we're going to a mochi place for some dessert. Should be just around here somewhere.
Sometimes it can be a bit hard finding a place to sit down and enjoy the food that you've just bought. So if you do find a place, grab it straight away. I found Dara's favorite shops. I bet she thought I was going to buy some of this, but the line was just a bit too long for me. So this is something that Esther really wanted to visit. It's right next to that famous pagoda. And what you do here is you can actually come and design and make your own fragrance. Unfortunately, you would have actually had to book quite in advance to be able to come and make your own fragrance. So we couldn't do that today, but we were able to just smell everything and find one that Esther did like, and she was happy with that. This is such a beautiful place to just take a stroll and just appreciate the architecture and the history of all these buildings. And right now we're actually making our way to a very special Starbucks, which has been set up in a very old traditional Japanese house. So strange to be in a Starbucks that has been fitted into a really old traditional Japanese building. Each room was obviously packed. It's a bit hard for us to find a spot for all of us. We did do a quick prayer, and as we did, a couple had left one of these rooms, and that was an amazing spot for us to just park ourselves. If you do find yourself visiting this part of Kyoto, do make some time to visit this Starbucks. You don't have to pay to enter. All you have to do is just pay for some drinks and you can enjoy and just relax in one of these awesome rooms. Alright, we're off to just stroll around a little bit more. I'm not sure where Esther found this guy, somewhere on the socials maybe, but this guy makes hand-printed postcards and they're pretty cool. Kids love them.
Why did just like why did just
Okay, sure.
Where are you from? Say Australia.
So if you want to meet this guy and get some of his prints, those umbrellas are probably the best way for you to know which building he's at.
Alright, definitely gotta go here next.
We were able to hail a taxi and now we are on our way to a place I've been wanting to visit for a very, very long time. I actually saw one of these Japanese taxis being sold in Australia. I was quite tempted to get one of them. They're so cool. We made it.
So clean. Ooh. I want one of these. I don't know if I'll do the tofu shop livery, but I've got the some Watanabe local roses. Just gonna get the panda. I just got the black kooky tail lights. And I'm liking it. I've got the white line, but that looks so good. Oh man, he's got a, of course he does, it looks like the limited edition black Torino. He's a GTB. I want to see if he's got spare one of these grills. I don't know if he would. I think he just works on cars. He doesn't like supply parts to random people who just walks in, it looks like.
I was able to talk to the owner. We had a bit of a yarn. We chatted a little bit about AE86s, showed him a photo of mine back at home, asked him if he sold parts, which unfortunately he didn't. But it was good to just have a chat and spend some time chatting about cars. I did take quite a bit of footage while I was here. These are relatively rare cars, so to see a car yard full of them was just incredible. And with that, I gave a very sad goodbye to this very special shop.
Alright, right by a main road in Kyoto, amongst all this built up area, it's a farm. And I don't think it's a hobby farm, I think this is like a serious farm. It's got a greenhouse as well, he's growing some serious stuff. Wow.
Our plan now is to go and visit 2nd Street, which is a very popular thrift store in Japan. Then we'll go to Aeon Mall, which is right next to the train station. Then we'll grab some dinner and maybe just walk around, do some shopping, see what the girls may like to do. One thing that you really do appreciate is the technology that they have here. In particular, their heating and their air conditioning. So under all these seats, heater.
This train that we're on is 4 minutes late, which is basically the next train in Tokyo, so very different.
Yeah. We will be back.
Second floor. Huh? Yeah, second floor.
Oh.
Oh yep, this is definitely the place. Just a note on 2nd Street and other thrift stores like it, they do know the value of these items, so they do price it accordingly. Not a bargain, but still relatively cheap. Mister, how about that bag? No? Okay. I tried, and I missed. Oh my gosh. This is what we need. Winning! And we can put this luggage underneath. Nah, she's not allowed to go underneath. Oh my gosh.
Even Nana likes it.
She does like it. Oh, Dada. Right, so it looks like we're definitely gonna get a gindekel, maybe some ramen, and not McDonald's.
Right.
Definitely a gongcha. Alright, let's go. Something cheap and nasty for tonight. Also, I do like trying McDonald's in every country I go to. Esther's going to do some shopping. So it's the girls and I, and we're playing arcades, entertaining ourselves. We know what this guy spends his money on. Thanks for joining us on day 9 of our family trip to Japan. We'll see you tomorrow when we stay home, finally, and relax. And we may go out, I'm not sure.